Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about more about numbers exercise 3.3. 3.3, the first question is state if the given statements are true or false. So we are going to discuss about true or false in the first. First question, if a number is divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6. Is it true or false? As per the 3 division rule, sum of the all digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3. Example, if I have 123, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. If the 6 is divisible by 3, the complete number divisible by 3. This is 3 division rule. Coming to the 6th division rule, if a number is following 2 division rule and 3 division rule, then the complete number is divisible by 6. So given this statement shows half of the information, which is if a number is divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6 is a false answer. Why? Because if a number is following the 3 division rule only, but this will not follow 2 division rule. If any number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the complete number divisible by 2. But given number will not be divisible by 2. Then this complete number not divisible by 6. Then this is a false statement. Moving on to the second question. If a number is divisible by 6, it is also divisible by 3. Same 126 I have. This 126 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 2. Then this number is divisible by 6. If any number, if it is divisible by 6, that means it is following 2 division rule and 3 division rule also. Then the statement is true. And the third question, if a number is divisible by 5, it is also divisible by 10. 5 division rule, any number ending with 0 or 5, then that complete number divisible by 5. 10 division rule, if any number ending with 0, that is divisible by 10. 65 is there. This 65 divisible by 5, but not divisible by 10. So the statement is, if a number is divisible by 5, it is also divisible by 10 is a false statement. It is not necessary that it will be divisible by 10. It may end with 5. The next question, if a number is divisible by 10, it is also divisible by 5. This is true. How it is? If any number ending with 0, 60, 70, 80, 90, these are all numbers divisible by 10. At the same time, ending with 0 are also divisible by 5. So this is a true statement. So as per the last 4 problems, first statement is false, second statement is true, third statement is false, fourth statement is 5. Moving on to the fifth statement, numbers divisible by 15 are also divisible by 3 and 5. Yes, 225 it is divisible by 15 because 15 15s are 225. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 225 is also divisible by 3. And it is ending with 5, this is divisible by 5. So, the statement numbers divisible by 15 are also divisible by 3 and 5 is true statement. Next question, numbers greater than 24 divisible by both 4 and 6 are also divisible by 24. 4, 6 are 24. Which are greater than 24, whichever is divisible by 4 and 6 are also divisible by 24 is a true statement. Next statement, if A is a factor of D, A is a factor of D, A into something is D, so A is a factor of D and D is equal to B plus C. A into something is equal to D, D is equal to B plus C. Then A is a factor of both B and C. A is not necessary to be factor of B and C also. This is a false statement. Next statement, which is 8th one, if A is a factor of B, A is a factor of B and A is a factor of B and C. A is a factor of B and A is a factor of C also. So, then A is a factor of B minus C. B minus C is A is a factor of B minus C. That is true statement. Next statement, if a number divides three numbers exactly, it must also divide the sum of the numbers exactly. If the numbers divides the three numbers in the same way, 3 division rule and 9 division rule, the statement is true. If a number is divisible by 5 and 9, it is always exactly divisible by 90. No, it's not true. 9 5s are 45. We may connect with the 45, but we may not connect with the 90. If a number is divisible by 5 and 9, it is always exactly divisible by 90 is a false statement. So, this ends the first question of the exercise 3.3, more about numbers. Now, moving on to the second question, which is the largest prime number that can help you determine if the given numbers are prime numbers or not. Largest prime number which gives us the information. First question is 89. 89, if I am dividing with 11, 8 11s are 88. So, 1 is the remainder. When any number is not completely divisible, then it will not have the more than one factors. So, that is a prime number. So, how we will find out this is a prime number? 11 is helping out. So, 11 is the highest prime number, which is largest prime number, which is giving an information that this is a prime number or not. So, for 89, the answer is 11. And the second question is 137. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 which are below 20 are the prime numbers. 137, if I am dividing with 13, 13 tens are 130, 7 is the remainder. So, 13 is the highest number which is showing this is a prime number. So, the next question is 101. 101, which is, if I am taking again the 11, 9 11s are 99, 2 is again remainder, so 2 is, now 11 is the highest number which is showing this is a prime number. Next one, 151. 151, 151. What is the number? So we'll take 17 and see. Seventeen into 5, 85. 17 into 6, 102. 17 into 7, 119. 17 into 8, 136. 17 into 9, 153. So we'll take that 8 times. 136. Remainder is 15. 17 shows is this a prime number or not. 203 near to 19. Let us see. 1 19s are 19. 13 comes down 0. So 19. 203. 19 is the largest prime number. Next question. 179. 179. Next 19, what will be the number we have? 23. Let us see with 23. 23 into 5, 115. 23 into 6, 138. 23 into 7, 161. So 7 times, 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 16. So 8. So 7 minus 6 is 1, 18. So 23 is the highest prime number, which shows us this is a prime number. Next, 331, which is 7th problem. 331. 1 19s are 19. 13 minus 9 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 141. And 5 19s are 19 into 5. 95. 19 6 are 114. 19 7s are 133. 19 8s are, so 7 times it is 133. 11 minus 3 is 8, so which is 17. Now the last question of this question. 397. 397. Let us see with 23. 397. This we can make it as with 179 divided by 17, which is 10 times 170. 9 is the remainder. So this will be 17. One 23s are 23. 6 here. 16 here. 167. 23 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 23 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. So 7, which is 161. 5 is the remainder. So this is 23. The question, which is the largest prime number that can help you determine if the given numbers are prime. This is the answer. Moving on to the next question. A number which is a factor of two numbers is given below. Show that this number is also a factor of the sum of the two numbers as well as factor of the difference of the two numbers. Now, the first question, 3 is a factor of 234 and 54. 234, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 3 is a factor of 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 is a factor of 9. So a number which is a factor of two numbers is given below. Show that this number is also a factor of sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers is 234 plus 54, which is 8, 288. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is also 3 is a factor of 18, so addition works out. There 3 is a factor of 234, 3 is a factor of 54, so 3 is a factor of 234 plus 54 also. Now we will see 234 minus 54. 4 minus 4 0, 13 minus 5 is 8, 1. 180 means 1 plus 8 plus 0, which is 9. So 3 is a factor of 9, so complete 180 is divisible by 3. So this rule follows. 3 is a factor of 234 and 54 is the given problem. We need to find out is it 3 is a factor or not. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. So 9 is a 3 multiple. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is a 3 multiple. So 3 is a factor of 3 is a divisible of 234 and 54. Now 234 plus 54, the result also divisible by 3. 234 minus 54, the result divisible by 3. So whatever the question has been given, that we answered. Moving on to the next question. 4 is a factor of 116 and 84. 4 is a factor of 116 and 84. As per the 4 division rule, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, the complete number divisible by 4. 116, last 16 is divisible by 4 because 4 4s are 16. So this follows 84. 2 4s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 21 times it goes in 4 tables. So this is also follows. Now we need to see the addition part. We need to see the subtraction part. 6 plus 4 10, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, 200. If it is last two digits are 2 zeros, then the 4 table will go completely in the whole number. So this follows the 4 division rule. 6 minus 4 2, 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 4s are 32. This also follows. This also correctly explained. Now the third question. 5 is a factor of 60 and 35. Ending with 0 or 5, the complete number divisible by that number. 12 5s are 60, 7 5s are 35. Now 60 plus 35, which is 95. 60 minus 35, which is 25. 95, 19 into 5, so this is multiple. 5 5s are 25, this is also follows the pi division rule. This ends the third question. Moving on to the next question. 6 is a factor of 72 and 60. If any number following the 2 division rule and 3 division rule, that complete number divisible by 6 is the rule. First one is 72, second one is 60. 12 6 are 72, 10 6 are 60. So these are the factors of 6. We can say that 72 plus 60, 72 minus 60. This is 2, this is 13, which is, this is 12, which we can say 6 2s are 12. We have factor of 6 here. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 22 times are 132. So everywhere the formula follows. Now the last question, next question, last but one. 7 is a factor of 84 and 112. 7 is a factor of 84 and 112. 12 sevens are 84. 112 is 1 sevens are 7, 6 sevens are 42, 16 sevens are 112. Now 112 plus 84, 112 minus 84, 6, 196. 2 sevens are 14, 8 sevens are 56. Here 12 minus 4 is 8 and 10 minus 8, 2. 4 sevens are 28. These are all the factors of 7. Now the last question, which is in exercise 3.3, more about numbers. 25 is a factor of 625 and 500. 25 is a factor of 625 and 500. 625, which is 25, 25s are. 500, which is 25 into 20. Correct? This is 25's, this is also 25's factor. Now 625 plus 500, 625 minus 500, which is 1125, which is 125. 25 5s are 125. 4 25s are 100, 5 25s are 125, which is 45 25s are 1125. Okay, this is also proves that the numbers which are all factors by 25, their addition and their subtraction amount also is a factor of 25 itself. So this ends the exercise more about numbers 3.3 6th class CBSE. Catch you in the next video with another chapter. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a nice day.